words, you pick one of those hairs off, you'll be in big trouble.
I like it when she crawls up his shirt. Carl, have you seen when Uncle Michael puts her under his shirt and she pops out the top? Do that.
I've got nothing on the shirt though, what's he going to grab onto?
Oh, right, okay.
Hello.
Hello. Petey, come and say hello to the camera. Here you go. Rob, Rob, Rob.
You want to touch her? Go ahead, Carly, you can touch her. They're too close, I can't see you.
Uncle Michael,
Yeah.
when you coughed, she was thinking, what was that?
That's right.
Like your wings up there.
Oh dear.
Where's she going?
She was biting her finger.
Mm-hmm. Almost landed in the water.
Oh, she's going to eat your dinner. She'll eat your dinner. Happy.
Shouldn't miss those water bottles. I should turn this off because I'm going to use up all my card.
No. Take your dinner away.
Okay.
Carla, take your dinner over to the sink.
Said I want that.
Take it over to the sink.
Good girl. She's probably too high for her. Right, everyone say bye.
Girl. Bye.
Bye, Petey.
Carla? Good girl. That's a girl.
Good girl. What's she going to do with this? I should play it back to her. You want to see yourself?
She turned around. That's funny.